you know how they say कि जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं, और जो बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं वो एक्टर बन जाते हैं.
Were you a popular kid in school?
I failed in school.
इधर ही खत्म हो गया बात, रहने देते.
Working in a film that is being executive produced by Martin Scorsese,
Right.
premiering at Cannes, having worked on a Hollywood production in the first 6 years of my career
With Nicole Kidman.
with Nicole Kidman. If you were to write it down for me, it would sound like a too good to be true dream.
A bunch of people among creators and directors who are all women.
Yeah.
So they're just looking at you in a certain way.
Yeah.
It's an intense female gaze, boss.
Yeah.
Like, you know, every time you take your clothes off, like what the
I'm feeling very hot.
And they didn't put in the contract that you have to take your clothes off. With the perfect couple, clearly not, right?
I didn't read that contract in and out. Elder brother by 15 years. It always ended with Bada Kaun. How can I win with this? I can't. Vishal sir is very light on his feet. He'll give you great lines on the spot.
ईशान तुम ना ऐसे ले लो और तुम इस लाइन को ना ऐसे कह दो और वो बहुत मजा आएगा.
Chaube sir even knew who I was. And as it turned out, his next film was with Bhai. And instead of being a benefit to me, he said, no. Dude, this is too important a role for me. No effing way.
You've been on sets all your life?
My mom, she took sets of Suryavansham. Apparently, I used to say, Bale Miya, Bale Miya. And she was like, you were the only kid उन्होंने गोदी में उठा लिया था और तुमने दाढ़ी खींच ली थी उनकी. First day I walked onto set in character as this boy, Madhukar Bagla. Slick back, good boy hair and all that. And I've come practicing my Mewadi and all. I've come on set and the security guard was like, no locals around.
Did you get paid a bomb to work in Dhadak?
I landed that film on the trust of Karan Johar entirely. I mean, in fact, he met me before I did Beyond the Clouds. So, I mean, he didn't audition me. So the one thing that I keep getting asked after working on A Perfect Couple is like, how are we different? We are very jugadu. We have a, do or die attitude. Vishal Bhardwaj was the dialogue writer for Beyond the Clouds. And then Majidi sir had a certain take on that. The way he spoke was he would speak in Farsi. But then by the time we started shooting, because I'd shadowed him so much, I started understanding the Farsi. So he would look at me and he'd say, Ortha, Shobe, Ishan, something, Kheli Khube, and something, and he'd say something, and like he'd gesture, and before he could start translating his translation, I'd be like, got it, sir, and I'd go give the shot. So luckily, I didn't get a spanking after saying, "Ye, kya kar diya tune?" He said, "Ye kaun sa tune Marathi mein translate karke?" Hi, this is Ishan, and you're watching me on Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.